Find features that differentiate it from other brands for AOMIA Collapsible Foldable Wagon with wheels. And why you should buy choose. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. Built to last. Made with a 1.2 mm thick steel frame and reinforced 600D Oxford fabric, this collapsible wagon heavy-duty is tested to hold up to 360 pounds without tipping or sagging. It's a truly durable wagon's carts foldable. Whether you're hauling groceries or heading out for your weekly shopping, this reliable grocery wagon foldable will meet your need. All-terrain performance. Glide over sand, gravel, grass, or pavement. Our all-terrain wagons features durable PU wheels that rotate 360 degrees, with a low center of gravity and extra stability. Whether you're using it as a sports wagon, camping wagon, or pull cart, you'll enjoy smooth handling every time. Easy to carry and store, this collapsible wagon carts folds down to just 18 x 16.5 x 6.7 inches, making it perfect for small spaces. Whether you're packing it in the trunk, RV, or any crevice, this lightweight folding wagon cart with wheels takes seconds to fold and weighs just 10 pounds, making it a true portable cart for daily use. Spacious storage. Unfolded, this wagon cart opens to 25.2 x 16.54 x 18.9 inches, giving you more room than many other foldable wagons carts. Whether you're loading groceries, tools, picnic gear, and more, this collapsible wagon cart is your go-to for groceries, hauling, gardening, or beach days, and more. Compact, lightweight, water-resistant, easy to clean, and rugged. Easy pulling. The telescoping handle extends up to 37 inches, making it a favorite among the most ergonomic pull cart with wheels. Designed to reduce wrist strain and prevent tipping, it adjusts perfectly for adults or kids. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.